Hello everybody, it's June 12th on this video and we have another live trade, real money live trade. This is a pretty good trade. I think it went for 8 ticks and this is again trading using the BWT precision indicators. I'm looking for a particular setup that I've honed over my 20 years experience trading, and I'm offering to teach this method or mentor to anybody who is interested. Just contact me at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Anyway, let's just get into watching the trade here. I've got my Superdome over here. You can see my real account in the account name. And I've got red bars. I've got my averages on top of the bars. I've got my oscillators kind of rolling over. And we also have a resistance, support became resistance. So here the blue bars had this little area of support and then it became resistance here. So this is kind of a well-known setup that occurs in the market, although just 3 or 4 bars here, it's still valid. I want to comment that price action, meaning formation of bars, patterns, etc., for me, it always takes precedent over indicators. Indicators such as oscillators can often be wrong, and it takes a lot of screen time and a very long time to learn how to interpret indicators properly, particularly oscillators. Even a small oscillation that's not oversold or overbought can have some meaning. So this trade goes for about 8 minutes originally, but I'm going to cut out some of the video and in the interest of keeping the video short. Okay, so we're back, just a bar pass, but it sliced a little time off the video here, and I'm going to put in a target in just a second here. Got 3 ticks in the trade, and I'm looking for 8 ticks on this trade. I got a feeling it's going to drop off. As I'm doing the voice narration after the video was made, I forget exactly what I was thinking here, but I was expecting a little bit more of a push down on this move. Remember, the BWT precision indicators are very accurate. Most traders, including myself, have a difficult time holding a trade for 5, 6, 7 points, even longer than 2 points. On occasion, I will make a 3 or 4 or 5 point trade. Once in a great while, I might hit a 10 bagger, but it's usually in a fast market and on a day where the market is trending and the sellers or buyers are firmly in control, and I go with the market. In this case here, the bars are often correct, the change in the color of the bars, so it takes a lot of discipline to hold the trade as long as the bars are red or as long as the bars are blue. I'm still working on that in spite of all I've learned over all these years. Still very difficult to do. The reason is because it's very debilitating mentally to watch a trade develop and watch your profit appear and disappear and appear and disappear. This happens to everybody, so it does take a lot of discipline to hold the trade for hours on a time. So for that reason, many of us, especially small traders, we're scalpers. We're looking for anywhere from 3 to 8 ticks, and 3 to 8 ticks per contract on a regular basis can add up to substantial income at the end of the year. $200 a day times 5 days a week is $1,000. That's $50,000 a year approximately. very slow action today. Very, very slow action on this trade. But usually when you see that, that's when all hell breaks loose. So let's see what happens here. Right now, we've got 1 point in the trade. I'm looking for 2 points, which is 8 ticks. And usually when it does happen, it happens quickly. Sometimes it takes forever. The market goes back and forth. But usually when you get a push down and the other side, which is all the people that went long on this long bar breaking out thinking it's going to go far, they get to a point where they realize they're wrong and they throw in the towel, and then you get a push down. So just in a moment here, we're going to get a push down, and you'll see that our goal should get hit. Trading at our price now, and boom, we just got filled. Okay, that's it for this video. A really nice trade, 8 ticks. And again, if you want to find out how to trade like this and how to make 4 to 8 ticks or 12 ticks or more scalping, please contact me at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.